Hello everybody. I had a extremely long day, so I'm gonna do the best I can to get these done. So we're gonna start off with 20 sit-ups. Do your favorite, whatever style you like doing. I like having my legs spread and using my arms full over the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway there, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're gonna do 10 push-ups. Tonight I'm really tired. I'm doing the girl version. So my knees will be down. We're doing 10, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're gonna stand up and do 25 lunges. I'm counting 1 per leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pay attention to your form. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I've skipped squats. We have 15 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My legs are burning. 9 and 10. 15, sorry. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As you can see, I am not at home. I am in a lodge hall. So excuse the mess. All right, 50 jumping jacks. If you can't do them all, step out, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And I'm a mom. It's going to make me have to pee. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 7, 48, 49, and 50. All right, 40-second plank, and then we have crunches, wall sit, and butt kicks. So here we go with our 40-second plank. Let's go. This time I have my watch on, so I'll be more accurate. All right, that's about 15. You got this. You can do it. Keep it up. There's 30. We're going for 40. Less than 5. And done. All right, we have 30 crunches. Again, like yesterday, you can do your crunches however you want. You can do reverse. You can do just sitting up, or you can do both together. I'm gonna do just the regular front crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Whew. All right, 35-second wall sit, and then butt kicks. So I'm gonna move this so you can see me on my wall sit, hopefully. How long did I say? Sorry, since I'm not at home. Hello, hello. 35 seconds. All right, here we go. Sit like you're in a chair. And that's 5. 10. I think I said 35. See, I'm so tired, I can't remember. We're gonna go for 35. If my watch will, okay. So we're almost there. We're almost to 30. We got 5 seconds left. You got this. Hold on tight. And lift yourself up. You should be burning by now. Now we're gonna do 25 butt kicks. And that's just, let me move my mat. Okay, you're just gonna kick your butt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And we are done. Whew. Thank goodness. We're done, we're done. Have an awesome evening, and let me know when you get yours done. Bye.